Friday the 13th, 1:45, Westminster, South Carolina. Video 5. Video 4 may not get posted. It may never get posted. Evidently we recorded it at such high resolution. It's going to take forever to upload it unless we can find a fast 5G. We've got 2 public and 1 that's being checked now. We're going to go right through Westminster, South Carolina. We're going to maybe get out and stop. We're going to take US 76 west, hoping to take it all the way across Georgia. We made us an egg salad sandwich. We already had our egg salad and our bread here. We went in Ingles, but we didn't see anything we wanted to get. I think the railroad track is right there to our right. We have a pretty good video of Westminster from a couple of years ago. So we started recording everything in higher definition, which would be for better video, but it takes a whole lot longer to upload. We're going to go to the right here, stay right down by the railroad tracks. We'll loop back and forth through these little roads here, getting video. Bush hogs over there for sale. What are they doing here, I wonder? Gonna make an underpass? I guess so. 11-foot 6-inch clearance. May just be pedestrian. I don't know. It looks maybe one way, another way. Coming through there. Trees are budding out. Leaves and blooms, blossoms. Down here and turn left and then come back up and then weave in and out of some of these little streets here. Well, say we turn left. Turn left here. That clearance is 12 feet, so you can't get a tractor trailer through those. The classic canine. You have poker playing dogs. I used to have a bunch of those roll-up posters, but I don't know what happened to them. They got missing years ago. What we will do, we will turn left up here and cut down a little street, then turn left and then right and left, and where you can see these little side streets. I want to do this one right here first. Guess we could do this one right here first, couldn't we? nice murals. We need to get out and walk a little bit, don't we? You know, friend Richard, he gets out and walks. He does a lot better job at showing you these cities than I do. You know, y'all check out his videos too. Old man Richard. You'll see his comments on a lot of my videos. Westminster Water Tower. There's a nice house over there, isn't it? On the other side of the tracks. We'll come out and go through that overpass there and maybe go over, or is that's a church. Okay, that's a nice church over there. I don't know if you'll be able to see this mural or not. We'll try to turn and go down this mural and by this mural and see if you can see it. One way. Well, the lighting's not good on it right now anyway. We're going to cut through one more time. We're going to go and we'll go through that overpass, and then we will catch that church, then come back through and continue on 123 US 76 West. What we'll do, we'll go ahead and start uploading this one. This one's already, how many minutes? 8 minutes. We should have been looking to see if we had 5G. We need to find somewhere that's got good 5G and try to get this video 4 uploaded. This one will be video 5. A lot of parking to park and walk. That church. Little brick houses built in the early 50s. There's that church. Nice houses. Now these are older houses here. I would think 30s. Two different types of chimneys, different years of construction, different materials and everything. Okay, what church is this? Westminster Presbyterian Church. We will try to get we will get a better picture of that. Give us a pretty good picture of Westminster across the street over there. I don't know what the deal is with this phone mount. It's a good phone mount, but it does get aggravating. Okay, there's your good elevated view of the tracks and the other side of the tracks. Get all of the steeple. We'll get the front of it too. Yeah, the depot over there. There, that's a good picture. Okay. Nice little recreation park. You've got the games, a little track there. I reckon that's a dog track. That looks like a dog park to me. It can be for people and dogs, I guess. We made any progress uploading? Very little. Very little. Civic Center down there to our left. Here's another underpass, overpass, whatever you want to say. We'll take it, see where we come out, and then cut back down one more time. Then we'll stop this one and start uploading it. And I believe this one will get uploaded before the fourth one does. 8'6". We have clearance for 8'6". That's what we need. That's what we need. 8'6". Well, we don't need quite that much for this van because of we don't have the ladder racks on it. But it's good to use that as a reference where we don't get in any kind of trouble. Okay, we're going to go right back down through the way we did. We'll pull over somewhere down here and get this one going, and then we will put a different camera on. I don't know which one yet. We may have to go with the Osmo. That way, then it would be tonight, or I don't know when we would be starting to upload it. That's the thing. The Osmo, we've got to download it to the computer. Even if we don't do any editing and processing, then we still have to upload it straight from the computer. And then for that we've got to have hotspot and decent hotspot to get it uploaded before sunup the next day. Okay, let's pull over here and get this one working and see how we come out. Then we'll start out. We'll head west on US 76, US 123, I think it was. Another mural. Okay, this will be a wrap.